Where did that go? Whoa! Down. Well, the hungry poor farmer. He had his eggs stole every morning by that snake. So the farmer with the wooden leg, he chased after the snake and couldn't catch. Sure enough, the snake went down the hole and the egg broke. Yeah. Next day he went up early and the snake, yeah, had swallowed the egg, but the farmer had done something to the egg. He'd boiled the egg. The snake went down the hole, thought he'd escape, got stuck in the hole. The farmer had snake and egg for breakfast. The Bible says, be sure your sin will find you out. The little girl, she stole the nice cream. She put the cream, yeah, back in the cupboard. She put the cat in with the cream, but she forgot about the spoon she'd left in the bowl. Alright, the cat had cream around his mouth, but the cat hadn't eaten it, the spoon was in the bowl. Be sure your sin will find you out. Wow. Good. Where's he going? What kind of bird is that? Well, seek the Lord while he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near. Let the wicked forsake his way, and the unrighteous man his thoughts. Let him return unto the Lord, and he will have mercy on him, and to our God, for he shall abundantly pardon. For sure. Why didn't you